Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 30-inch farmhouse sink. Okay, so let's go over some measurements really quick. So out here all the way is 22 inches. Left to right, you're at 30 inches. Now this can be mounted under, the countertop can go over the top of it or under it. Here's what the inside looks like. So here's what the side of it looks like. Now it is 10 inches deep. So this measurement right here is 10 inches, and that's going to come into play on your cabinet. This part here is right about 9, 8.5, 9. There's what the back looks like. Now it does come with these accessories that fit in the sink. And a cutting board. It does come with the drain stopper. Comes with this hardware and these clips to mount it with. Okay, so here is my kitchen cabinet for a farmhouse sink. Now, this one is not going to work in this one. And here's the reason why. So from the top of the door is only 9.5 inches. Now, if you want your countertop is going to be flush with the top of this, so the thing cannot extend above that, so the countertop can go over the top of it. So with that, the countertop is going to come over the top of this. So this part here is 10 inches. So this part right here is 10 inches. So this 10-inch part, it sticks out 6 inches. Yeah, from the top of this lip to the bottom of the sink is about 9.25 inches. So if this part here rests on the front of your cabinet, you'd be okay, but then it's going to stick out 6 inches. But if this part rests on the front of your cabinet, now I will have to cut this one. So if I cut it down, I can only cut it down about 9.25 inches. So, but if I want to cut it down 10 inches, it's going to be into the doors. So here's what the underside of it looks like. So here it does come with an instruction manual. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.